everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Destiny. This is Afro-Pinionated, and today we are going to be trying out, well, I already tried this before, but it's the Main Choice Heavenly Halo Pre-Poo. I'm not about to say all that. I'm tired of these long names. They're ferocious. But yeah, I forgot that I'm gonna have a long wash day today because I need to do a protein treatment. So let me just go ahead and get it started, girl. But yeah, we're gonna have a little bit of a topic to discuss. I can't multitask though, so I'm gonna apply this, and then as it's marinating for a little bit, I'll go ahead and talk to y'all a little bit. And then I picked up some more products from Shoe Center, girl, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I picked up. It's not gonna be all clean cut and pretty. I'm just gonna grab some hair and get to it. I'm also gonna be using up this little Honey Tammy onion and Kelsey conditioning serum. It's a little bit in here, so I just need to go ahead. Let's just, come on, let's get this empty. So as you guys can see, this isn't a bad pre-poo in terms of like the slip. Like the slip is okay. It's a little bit less effective, closer to my roots, but I experience a lot of tangling in my roots a lot of the time. So so far, you know, it's not a terrible product. It ain't no curl piece either though. I'll just go ahead and tell y'all it ain't no curl piece, but you know, it does the job. It does the job. Getting all the weeks shed hair out. Have you guys ever tried this Main Choice Heavenly Halo Pre-Poo before? I know Main Choice is like a, you know, OG brand, so let me know down in the comments if you tried this before and if you like it. I know this one is definitely, you know, more accessible than a lot of others that are out there. My sectioning is horrible, but it is what it is. I am just trying to get my hair detangled. You know, the other week I didn't pre-poo and I realized how much I actually enjoy it and how much of a difference it actually makes in the wash day. Like, it actually does help, you know. But yeah, I'm gonna continue applying this and then I will come back on for a little chit chat and a little bit of a haul, a mini haul. Y'all, so that's all in my head, but y'all, let's go ahead and get into a little chit chat. So by the time y'all see this video, it's gonna probably be weeks and weeks past the time that I filmed it because I already have some other videos. But a few weeks ago or a week ago, last week, I followed Sheree Del Sol and she reposted this girl's comment, or literally every time, hold on y'all, hello, okay y'all, so where was I? Oh yeah, so basically Sheree Del Sol had brought up this tweet that somebody had made. They basically said that, you know, naturals basically make natural hair care seem so easy that it discourages a lot of new naturals and they end up going back to their perm or their relaxer or whatever. And it just kind of makes them, it discourages new naturals. And you know, for me, I just kind of feel like there's like a bigger picture here, or a bigger issue here. I feel like a lot of new naturals, they have very skewed expectations, and when we first, a lot of us, when we first go natural, we're essentially trying to mimic somebody else's hair. We're trying to conform our hair too much to somebody else's reality, basically. So I think a lot of people have it, you know, they got it misconstrued that it's easy, or that your hair is just gonna look like this the first time that you do it, the first time that you're working with it, and that's not gonna happen. Especially if your hair is thicker, if your hair is kinkier, and even if it's not thicker and it's like thinner, maybe it's just more curly. If you start looking at somebody on Instagram, watching somebody on YouTube, you kind of expect, okay, when I try it, that's how mine is going to turn out too. But it's not like that. Like, it's not like a box braids or like a weave. Everybody's not going to have the same results. That's the thing. And, you know, just to kind of add on to that, you know, some of these people on social media, some of these people have been natural for years and years and years. So they've cultivated a routine that really works for them. And, you know, repetition is going to breed some, it's going to make it easier for you. Like, the more you keep doing something, the easier it's going to be. So, you know, you could watch somebody going through their hair care routine and it seems easy. Like, they're just breezing through the steps. And they probably are breezing through the steps because they're so used to it. Like, they probably might do their hair every week, every other week, whatever, you know, schedule they're on. So it may look easy, but that's because, you know, they have taken the time. They have, you know, mastered their technique, mastered their look, and they know what they're doing. So yeah, I don't think natural, this kind of leads me on to my next little question for y'all. Do you guys think that natural hair is high maintenance? Or it's a lot to maintain? I kind of feel, I don't think that it's hard to maintain. I would say it is kind of high maintenance because you do need different things at different times, and even on the regular you need kind of like a lot of products. I mean, you don't necessarily need a lot of products, but some things are necessary, but they do make the, you know, the wash day, they make it quicker, they make it easier. Some things, you know, for me personally, I need more than one product to style my hair, so you know, it's high maintenance in that sense. But just in the actual care of it, I don't really think it's high maintenance. I could agree that it is more tedious, but overall I really don't think that natural hair is hard to maintain. I would argue that it's hard to learn your hair. It's a steep learning curve, you know, to get your natural hair routine together. But I don't think once you get there, it's not that complicated. You know what I mean? You just have to be consistent. So that's what I'm saying. Like, I think it's a little more tedious than complicated or hard to manage, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty repetitive. You know what I mean? Like, it's not that difficult in my opinion. But like I said, the learning curve is steep. It's something that could potentially take you a few years possibly to get. So yeah, that learning curve is steep. So if you're like a new natural, don't go into it thinking that it's going to be so easy. You're just going to get it the first time and you're just right there, bam bam bam, going to find the right product combination. You're bam going to find the perfect deep conditioner. You're going to find the perfect shampoo, you know what I mean? You're gonna master the technique on the first go, whatever style you're trying to achieve. You know, it's not that. So I think people really just need to adjust their expectations to reality. And I really do truly believe that we gotta stop trying to mimic other people's hair. We really gotta get out of that. I think we just need to learn how to embrace and just feel comfortable walking in our own texture, in our own skin, and just stop trying to pretend and conform to other people's hair. So with that being said, y'all, let me show y'all what I done picked up, girl. I picked up like a Labor Day type of sale, and I got my package like a week or 2 weeks ago, I want to say. But yeah, so I picked up the She Scented Papaya Scalp Renewing Shampoo. Y'all know anything with scalp, it kind of makes me look at it twice, honey. And this one does have white willow bark in it as well. It seems like it's gonna be a pretty good shampoo, I think. So yeah, I picked this up because I did want to try a real shampoo from them, because you guys know I just had that passion fruit flax charcoal thing, which is basically a co-wash. Next, I picked up 2, yes honey, you already know I had to re-up on these She Scented Miracle Melt Masks. 2 of those because I love this deep conditioner. Now I know I got all this stuff basically, oh yeah, I got all of this stuff for 40% off. I know they have like 50% off during Black Friday, but a lot of the stuff gets sold out by the time I make it over there, so that's why I re-upped a little early. Next, I picked up the passion fruit and flax treatment therapy hair mask. This seems like it's gonna be a nice little strengthening type of situation. And then everybody talks about this. This is their okra hair repair retentive mask. It's supposed to have garlic and amla and okra in it. So everybody talks about this. You know what? I gotta say, I hate these kind of jars, because why are you in a 12-ounce jar but you're only 8.5 ounces? Like, I'm sorry, ma'am. Why would you do that? What was the reason? Like, y'all put a jar inside of a jar. I also picked up the Royal Honey and Argan hair mask. Now, Once My Throat really loves this deep conditioner, so I thought that I would give it a try. I hope I enjoy it as well, and I'm curious to see how it compares up to the Miracle Melt Mask. So I did pick up 2 leave-ins as well. I got the triple butter apricot and a yipe softening milkshake. You guys know that I picked up that that curl smoothie leave-in, the Tahiti cocktail curl smoothie leave-in, but I didn't feel like that one was moisturizing enough, so I picked up that one and this one as well, just to see if it works better. This is the Marula Mallow Moisture Rich Milk, and I like the deep conditioner from this line so much that, you know, I wanted to see what the milk would do. So yeah. And one thing I noticed is that if a leave-in doesn't have butters, like 8-9 times out of 10 I'm not gonna like it. So I specifically look for there to be a butter in my leave-in somewhere on the list. And I actually picked up 2 oils as well. I have the She Scented Growth Therapy Scalp Elixir, and then I also have the Okra Repair Scalp Stimulating Growth Oil. And I picked these up because I wanted to go back to using oil when I'm deep conditioning, because that is just very helpful with my scalp, with the itchiness and with the dry scalp problems that I be having. So that's why I picked those up. Next, I have the Tahiti Cocktail Curl Enhancing Jelly Custard. I thought this would be more of a clear jelly, but it looks like a cream gel. I don't know if y'all can tell, but it looks kind of like a cream gel. So I don't know how this one is gonna work, but I will definitely let you guys know. And I also picked up the Plum Nectar and Agave Curl Perfection Styling Custard. I've heard such great things about this one. I think A Love For Me really likes it. So yeah, those are the things that I picked up from She Scented. And yeah, let me know down in the comments. Ooh, my hair is so itchy. Let me know down in the comments what you guys want to see me try here on the channel. And then also let me know, do you guys think that it's hard to maintain to upkeep natural hair, or do you think that learning your hair is the hard part? Like, which part of the hair journey is the hardest? Let me know what y'all think down in the comments below. Also, let me know if you've ever used this Main Choice Pre-Poo. It feels like I only have like 1 or 2 more uses in here, but yeah, definitely let me know what you guys think about it if you've used it before. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you all have a blessed, awesome, amazing, prosperous week filled with peace, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye.